Welcome back to the barn, YouTubers. Today we're going to be replacing the battery in the old Arctic Cat 400 4x4. Should be pretty simple. So let's get started here. First thing you got to do, remove the seat. There's a lever way back here. Pull up, just slide it back, get it out of here. Oh, there's a battery in there. I didn't think there was still one in here. So then, get your old Felipe screwdriver. You can see here, get a little closer. Remove screws. That's simple. Pull it right out of there. So this new battery I went with is an AGM battery. It doesn't need to have this drain hose. So we won't need to hook that up. We'll leave it in there just in case we ever put another old school battery in there. So we got some new bolts with this new battery. Put in here. Let's see here. Slide the nut under there, under here, and it's as simple as positive, which is the black, goes on the negative. I got a positive, and I also got a winch here that I got to hook up, which is a little bit tricky with these short screws, trying to hook up two wires. And I got a battery tender. I got to slide in here. Oh, got her. Hopefully this one goes just as easy. These are a little short. And we'll tuck all this battery tender stuff down in here. Tighten everything up one last time. Nice and tight. Make sure we can get to the battery tender. I'm going to hook that up. Make sure we can charge her. Keep her charged up nice and juicy. Get rid of our tree zash. Put the seat back on. Slide this way underneath the back. Get these two hooks on the front. Push it forward. Make sure the front's locked in. Smack the down. And we'll check everything. Look at that. We got juice. Lights, camera, action. All right, she's good to go. She'll be starting right up. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll be making more videos just like this in the old barn. Thank you.